ground floor, I think, yeah. Sanitizer has your trolleys here. Okay. Look at these cool candles. I already saw these candles. They smell so good. Look at those pillows and plates and trolleys and
Upstairs is furniture, bedroom. Downstairs is product. Plate, glass.
Not products, like all like
All like this.
like
actually
props.
know that.
Props.
Home.
No,
Huh.
it's called a...
If it would be products, that means they're cream. Yeah.
No, the book.
A cutting board. A cutting board.
Lot of
Mommy,
design.
I want to design my house one day with puppet walls. Like
Spoon.
every single day I can go like this.
Cutlery,
Cutlery.
brush.
You want cutlery, Mommy? I'm going to cut you in half. Beep, beep.
Saucepan.
Just kidding.
It's in here.
It's a joke. Okay? Don't
Joke?
think that it's
Why you
serious.
joke?
I said
Pressure
that-
cooker, I think so. This one.
Another
Yeah.
pot. Mommy, do you need another pot to cook?
Yeah.
Yes.
Your grandma like pot. She buy a lot of.
She buy lots
like-
of pans and
yeah.
pots.
She
Wow.
like lot of plate. Yeah.
What about plates? Doesn't she like plates? I have no idea about her. I don't talk much cherry. I have no idea she actually. My grandma literally loves pots. Mommy, do you like pots?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Look, they put wine glasses.
Go this way.
What are these? These plates.
Bowl.
A bowl?
Yeah, it's a bowl.
Halka, patla.
It's
Nice.
really light.
Yeah. This one heavy.
Yeah, these are heavy. And glass. Cutlery.
It's a set. It's a full set.
It's not a food set, it's a cutlery
It's a
set.
full set. Look, it's a full.
Where did it go? A cup. Oh, look, Mommy, I'm drinking coffee.
Come.
Because you drink coffee. More wine glasses. Fancy. I tell you. Oh my god. Mommy, look, a fake pizza and a fake cutlery. What's that called again when you cut a pizza? I forgot what you call it. I call it pizza cutter.
Iti.
There's a window. Big window. There's a screen. Looks like this is a nature room.
Yeah.
Nature. My favorite room. And it
And
smells like it.
candle.
Yeah, this is candles.
Smelling
No
candle.
wonder it smells good. I love it.
Nice,
I love
yeah.
the smell. You want to come here? Come to the ground floor. Come here. It smells good. It smells divine. I want to eat the candles. But that would be terrible because there is wax. Ding dong, what do you think? I'm ding dong. It's some cool clocks.
Wow, nice. Talk.
Clocks.
Decoration product there.
I love it. And there's apple molds and there's art molds.
photo frame.
Look at that screen. Like a photo frame while it's a screen at the same time. That's so cool. Ooh, I really think that's a reindeer. I think reindeers are pretty cute, but they're really mean.
What is this?
What? See, that's what I'm saying. How cool is it, right? Because they're using a projector on the mirror, I think. I don't know what that is. Glass? That's what I'm saying. And there's posters. Posters. Oh, Jesus.
This one is lighting.
Man, look at this.
Decoration lighting.
This kind of reminds me of Regina's room. Not in a business right now, as a YouTuber, by the way. But it reminds me of her lamp because it's the coolest lamp ever. If you touch the bottom, you see these lamps. When you touch the bottom and it like go like this, it's normally like pops up and lights up at the same time. How cool is that, right? I like a mirror light. Ooh, cool. What are these? What are these? Spectacular and I don't know what
You know
to
this?
describe it.
You know this?
Yes?
It's solar lights.
I know all of these.
This one is light
Solar
section.
lights.
Guys, there's a lighting pencil. Pencil. Let me show you right now. Look right there, cutting pencil. But they're lights. Real lights, okay? Real lights. They're so cool.
Alright, I'll call you back.
Look, there's another room here with these pink lights. Like where you can sit down and dance and blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah. What is this? Blah, 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 blah,
And then
blah.
pencils. See what I mean? Pencil light. And football.
Yeah.
And look, a
Football
soccer
light.
ball.
Light.
Light. So, I have no idea what I'm saying right now.
You press this, and it lights up.
This.
Yeah, this.
Okay, it's not even working.
Because not
Probably
connection, that's why.
No, probably must need batteries, Mommy. Batteries. Baskets. With nature. Oh, gee. More lights than lights. What's this?
I don't know.
Look at these. These are like trays.
Yeah.
But like if you want to organize your what's it called again? Like toys or something like that, you can do that.
Box.
Boxes.
Yeah.
There are like boxes.
Bin there.
Now there's a cooler.
I think so.
Tool
Bin
boxes. Bin boxes.
box. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so tired today. What are these? I don't know. Tray box. There's a tray box. Look, it says natural. Or it does say nature.
We are coming here before, no? Coming here before? No.
No.
We're outside.
We've never came here. Come here, look. Flowers. Well, she loves nature still. Every hobby she likes doesn't change, but her favorite colors do.
Carpet.
Yeah,
This
carpet.
one is carpet section.
You see the color.
New color. Come. This one is nice. Our country use this one. Same like this. Before our house, Bangladesh, this one.
No wonder it looks so familiar.
Yeah, this carpet is very nice.
It's
And it's red.
Color,
so familiar.
color, golden.
That's your
red,
favorite
green.
color. I love
Three
purple.
color.
Purple girl.
Same like this. Ooh, cool. Red one, not red.
I love purple. That's why I even like eggplant.
Come there.
I'm so tired. But if it's nature, I'll do it to make a video.
Animal body. That
No,
carpet.
not the polar bears. Mommy loves polar bears.
Yeah.
I want to touch it.
Soft.
Really soft.
Yeah.
What is this? A moose?
Balu.
What? A brown bear?
Yeah, bear.
Mommy, come here. Is this where we pray?
Yeah.
It's like this praying carpet.
Nice.
It's like a praying carpet.
Where are going at the moment? This side or that side?
This side, this side, this side.
Not that side?
Not that side.
No, that looks like a divan.
You go.
Mommy's confused.
You happy today?
Yeah. That's cute.
Watching lot of thingy?
Look at that smiley face.
Portion. Here.
Pillows, Mommy.
Pillow.
Pillows.
Bed sheet here.
Purple and pink lights. Look, purple and pink lights.
Yeah.
I love purple. They're my two favorite colors, purple and pink. Now I'm more likely to be blue was my thing, but blue isn't now anymore. Blue's kind of a boring color.
Boring color?
Yeah.
Okay, and that was when?
I love purple.
Yes. But then what makes you think I'm saying?
Well, though, I still love these pillows. I love everything that's comfortable.
Yeah.
Just like even when I wear some stuff that actually looks really cool. Besides the point, I actually forgot to show you my outfit. Look, I'm wearing also a t-shirt. I have a cool t-shirt right there. What do you mean these pillows are cool? But they're like black. Mommy's favorite color. Does that mean Mommy?
I think so. We are coming here.
Does that? No.
Yeah, glass section. Yeah,
Mommy?
fake glass section.
Mommy, we've never been here. What do you mean?
Yeah, coming here.
We have never
We
came.
are coming Ulta.
I don't think so.
Yeah, pizza.
No.
Yes.
Mommy, we just passed by this room.
Yeah. We are coming and going there.
We never came here.
Come here, darling.
Mommy, stop saying lies. We've never been here before.
No, we are coming here.
No, we didn't.
before.
No, we haven't. Or I
Yes.
remember I would say to everybody.
Okay, you say
guys,
them. Bye.
Fine.
Then we are checking which road is our road.
Okay.
Say bye.
So that's all it for now today. Mommy, we've not been here before. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Bye.
I hit the big lights. Bye.
Hey, you better like the purple lights.
No, I hate purple lights.
Whatever, bye.